Are you tired of social media platforms that limit your freedom of expression? Do you want to connect with like-minded individuals without fear of being censored or banned? Well, Nostr might be the solution you've been looking for. With its recent rise in popularity and Twitter's ban on promoting alternative social platforms, Nostr is gaining steam as the decentralized alternative for those seeking true freedom on social media. So today, let's take a look at what this new platform has to offer and see if you would like it. Welcome back, Metaverse Monopolists. I'm not a financial advisor. This video exists solely for educational entertainment. Please make your own researched financial decisions. Nostr protocol and the first relay server were developed at the end of 2020, before it became popular. Initially, it was created as a simple, lightweight solution for Twitter and its problems. Your server controls your username or identity on these platforms, so even if you run your server, other server operators can blacklist or whitelist which servers can interact with theirs. This partitioning has led to a lot of fragmentation in the Fediverse of Mastodon servers. As a result, running your own server becomes meaningless, because other server operators can still censor you. But before anything else, we want to thank you for your amazing support. Your presence and engagement mean a lot, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Nostr is different because instead of a username owned by a server operator, each user has a public or private key pair to handle that function. This means that the server operator can't seize it from you or lock you out. Nostr protocol is built on this foundation. The next building block is events, the basic object clients that relay servers use. Clients send events to relay servers, which store and index them. In addition, events are organized in a particular way. They contain the creator's public key, a timestamp of when they were made, their type, the content payload, and the creator's signature. Tags referencing other events or users can also be included, and an ID value, which is a hash of everything except the creator's signature, is assigned to each event. This helps ensure that the public key owner created the message by verifying the signature and that it wasn't tampered with after being signed. Just like you can't change a Bitcoin transaction after signing it without invalidating it, you can't change a Nostr event without it being fraudulent. The NIP's event kind system has undergone a significant expansion. You can now send direct encrypted messages by combining the sender's private and receiver's keys. This is how BIP47 and silent payments work. You'll also find types of replaceable events and ephemeral events. For replaceable events, the creator can sign a new one to replace the old one. Relay servers will drop the older event and serve the newer versions automatically. Ephemeral events will be broadcast to anyone subscribing to the creator, but relay servers won't store them. This means that people can only see messages online during their broadcast. There's even an event type for reactions like likes or emojis to other people's events. The events in Nostr can have tags, which are like labels. These tags come in different types, such as for referencing specific events, tagging other users, or emulating email subjects. They can also point to specific relay servers, allowing users to interact with each other's content, even if posted on a different server. This makes it easy for anyone to follow the conversation thread without getting lost or confused about where to find the relevant data. Are you feeling intimidated by seasoned crypto players? We're all about making sure your crypto journey is stress-free and safe. All you need to do is click on the link below, and you'll find the perfect cold storage wallet for all of your crypto needs. The original NIP specifies how clients should interact with relay servers via a subscription message or data structure. This includes filters for the events a client is interested in, such as public keys, event types, and specific timeframes. You can even use prefixes of public keys or event IDs to view content without revealing what you actually want to see. The basic protocol covers important aspects like message integrity and user identity with public keys. It also allows for centralized or personal relay servers to seamlessly interact with each other. If a user gets banned from one server, they can move to another or run their own without losing their digital identity or followers. Relay servers can operate in various ways, including charging micropayments or requiring proof of work for submitting messages. Clients can display and organize information however they want, emulating any social media platform. The protocol's simplicity provides a large design space for developers, ensuring users can always interact with each other regardless of relay server operators' choices. However, this also means that there may be inherent problems that the protocol doesn't handle. So, do you think this new platform can be a great alternative to what we currently have? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Additionally, if you're looking for an alternative to Instagram, we suggest checking out Pearl. It's a unique platform powered by the DeSo blockchain that empowers content creators to earn money without relying on monopolistic Web2 companies like Meta. And to learn more about this, just click the tab and join us in the Metaverse.